Shopping online? Get back a part of your money and earn on purchases made by people you've referred with AI.marketing. Online marketplaces pay us for customer leads, and we share our revenue with you. That is what we call cashback. So, how do you save? At AI.marketing, you will find over 20,000 online retailers in many categories. Select the desired online store in the catalog and place your order. A portion of the amount spent will be returned to you as a cashback. And look for the deals of the day in stores that offer increased cashback. And how can you profit? Advertise trending goods on social media or websites and get cashback for customer leads. Or invite your friends and get 5% on their cashback. Withdraw your cashback to a bank card or to multiple e-payment systems and spend it as you please. It's time to earn while enjoying your shopping.